December.
The Joint Action Committee representing the villages of Umper, Ampangre and Matchogre organized a rally today, marching from the Dorbar Hall in Umper to the Department of Soil and Conservation Training Institute in Byrnihat. The protest was in objections to the proposed site for a new industrial estate in Byrnihat, which impacts the villagers directly. Residents expressed their concerns over the decision made without the consent and approval of the Dorbar Shnongs, emphasizing their commitment to environmental protection and the potential negative effects on their natural surroundings.
Set up of industrial estate and we have taken a decision that we'll take an appointment to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Kondar Sangma. So that after that we'll discuss regarding this industrial estate with all our NGOs and our 3 villages, headman and secretary, and all the leaders from the Byrnihat Citizen Forum, plus Joint Action Committee and Mahila Union, and all the youth leaders also will work together and will go ahead and meet the Chief Minister regarding the industries.
As the day of counting for the Gambagre Assembly